The kids are hungry, so we ordered from this place right here. They apparently have the very famous chicken sandwich. We got our food. No, this is spicy. So we're so excited because we have not found bubble tea since we left Malaysia. We found bubble tea here. It's called Tealicious at Bluewaters. And that's one of the cool things about Dubai. They have multiple fireworks throughout the city. Mariam, how was that?
Good.
That was crazy good. You count? Grandma, you can count? Yeah? Alright guys, today is Sarah's birthday. Sarah is joining a new club, 30 Club. How do you feel, Sarah?
Good. Happy.
Deep down, she feels sad. She's 30. So alright guys, so we are at Bluewaters in Dubai. We are right from the big wheel, Eye of Dubai as they call it. And unfortunately, it's closed. It's under maintenance till March. I don't know why, because it's the peak season in Dubai. You think you would have it figured out before people get here, but it's closed till March. The kids are hungry, so we ordered from this place right here. They apparently have the very famous chicken sandwich. So we'll see in a little bit how good it is. If you want one of the best views in Dubai Marina and then the cheapest boat ride, Bluewaters is where you want to be, guys. This is the place you want to be. And then you can see they got 2 international cruises over here. The docked over there. Sarah, what'd you get for your birthday?
Money.
Money! How much money?
I know.
You don't know?
No.
You can't count?
No.
No? 1, 2, 3?
No.
That's it? She got big money.
No. $12.
You count? Grandma, you can count? Yeah? Whose birthday is it today?
And me.
And your birthday.
And me.
So we're just waiting for our food to get here. It's taking a while. The weather here definitely gets much colder at nighttime. I'm okay, I'm always warm. But if you're not warm like me, you definitely want to bring a jacket. All right, we got our food. Yeah. All right, Sarah, let's go to eat. We're starving.
Yeah.
Marwa's favorite, ketchup. All right, here we go. Oh, that looks good, Sarah.
That's it.
Oh. All right, let's see if it lives up to the hype. There you go. First bite is for you guys. We got medium hot. No, this is spicy. I'm glad I said medium, not hot. It's definitely a big chunk of chicken. Yeah, this is medium. There's hot and there's Nashville hot. This is, whew. What do you think, Sarah? Spicy? I'm glad I didn't say hot. I was thinking about saying hot. I was like, let me just stick with spicy. Sweet potato fries. There we go. Not bad. Alright guys, so why are we here this late? So one of the cool things here about the Bluewaters, they have a fire show every day. Current time right now, they have it for December is 9:30. So every night, 9:30, they have fireworks here. So we got about 45 minutes or so. About 30 minutes left actually, 30 minutes left till the fireworks. It's our first time here, so we'll see what it looks like. So we'll show it to you here in just a few seconds. And that's one of the cool things about Dubai. They have multiple fireworks throughout the city. So easy Googling it or going to the homepage of the places will tell you where to go and what time. Right, Marwa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grandma TV.
Marwa's got grandma tea. They got a bunch of ice creams here. They have corn, pretzels, you name it.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Blue chocolate. Pink chocolate. Rainbow chocolate.
Rainbow chocolate, what?
And coffee.
Yeah. And There's a Caesar Palace right here that you'll see. One of the newest hotels here. Mariam, how was that?
Good.
That was crazy good. Marwa, how was that?
Good, super good.
Good. How was that, Sido? How was the firework?
I.
Why?
Crazy.
Crazy good.
I.
Sarah, what do you think?
Damn, amazing.
Amazing.
For my birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Happy birthday, Annie. You happy? Yeah. Sarah didn't like the food. The food was actually not good. It was very, very heavy on fat. By the way, if you can time your boat right, you can actually ride the boat while the fireworks are going off, which is pretty cool. 9:30. Sarah, you like Bluewaters?
Yeah, wow, you got money.
Whoa! 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 Alright guys, so the food here is definitely not cheap. We spent like 200 local currency, which is about 50 bucks where we ate, and that was considered fast food, so it's not cheap for sure. Cheapest place to eat here is McDonald's, right here. And the lines are very, very long. It's a very long queue, so be prepared for it. But you have a lot of eating options, but they're just not cheap, so keep that in mind. And I even saw a lot of people bring their own food here that they ordered somewhere else, brought it here, and just sit at the table and ate, which I thought was a pretty cool idea as well. All right, Sarah. First pump.
I want it. I want that to do.
1 minute. So we're so excited because we have not found bubble tea since we left Malaysia. We found bubble tea here. It's called Tea-licious at Bluewaters. How does it taste? Tastes like heaven?
I need
I like you. You like me?
No, like me.
No, really cool place, for real. And they have the World Cup over there. South Bay trouble. South Bay trouble. You gotta kick that World Cup for life. How cool is that, man? Wow, so many colors. Alright folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.